Today, I'll show you how to speed up a video clip to create a fast forward effect. First, import your video into the timeline and tap on the clip to select it. From the right hand editing menu, tap on speed. Here you'll see options like 1x, 2x, and 4x for quick presets. But if you want more control, you can also use the slider to set a precise speed. Now, below the speed slider, you'll notice two additional options: mute audio, which completely removes the sound from your clip; keep pitch, which ensures voices don't sound too squeaky or too deep when the speed is changed. Once you've adjusted everything, preview your clip and tap the check mark to apply. And that's it. You've just learned how to speed up a video clip in KineMaster. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.